Hello student of class 3rd. I am Salini Pathak and I will teach you EVS. Now we start first chapter of EVS. Its name is parts of our body. Our body is made up of different parts. The body parts which we can from outside are called external body parts as hands and feet. The parts which are inside our body and cannot seen from outside are called internal body parts. Now we will discuss external body parts as hands. We have two hands which we use to eat, drink, write, paint and draw pictures. We use them from holding, catching, lifting and catching. Now legs. Legs help us to move from one place to another. Our feet help us in standing properly. We can walk, run, jump, climb and kick the help of our legs and feet. Now we will discuss about sense organs. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Now eyes. Our eyes help us to see the world around us. We recognize things by seeing their shapes, size and colors. Okay. Ear. We hear sounds around us. We learn to talk when we listen. Nose. Our nose helps us to smell different things like the fragrance of flowers and aroma of eatables. We also breathe in and out through the nose. Clear. Next, tongue. We enjoy our food by its smell and taste. There are tiny pores on our tongue called taste buds. They help to taste different flavor of food like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. The tongue also help us to speak. Now skin. Our whole body is covered with skin which protect as we feel things. Our skin, it tells us if something is hot, cold, rough or smooth. It is the largest organ. Now we will discuss about internal body parts. First, brain. The brain is the most important part of our body. It lies in the head which is protected by hard bones. The cover of hard bones is called skull. The brain thinks and controls the function of all other body parts and stores information in the form of memories. Okay. Heart. Heart is reddish brown in color. It is located inside the chest. It pumps the blood to all parts of the body. It works day and night. Now stomach. All the food that we eat goes into the stomach. It digests the food and releases energy which is used by our body. Next, lungs. There are two lungs present inside our chest. The oxygen that we breathe in from the nose to the lungs. Children, do you know there are some people who cannot see, hear, speak or walk like the most of us. People who cannot hear to speak learn to communicate through sign language. They are also taught lip reading. People who cannot see learn to read using the Braille script. These script has letters with raised dots in a set pattern. People who cannot walk take the help of various walking aids like walking stick, wheelchair, and crutches. We should always treat differently abled people with respect. Now, old age. Old age weakens all the sense. It makes body weak and frail. We need to understand these facts and be sensitive towards the aged in our homes as well as in the society. Stay happy, stay home, bye-bye.